What is Islam? The world is not a place to build life. The world is a place to test life. Allah created man as an eternal creature. Then he created two worlds, one, the present world, and the other, the world to come after death. Allah made the present world a temporary abode for man to be tested, and made the next world the eternal abode of man, where he lived with all kinds of joys and comforts. In the present world, every man is under test. The present world is not the destination, it is only the way. Those who pass their test in today's life, they will find a place in eternal heaven after death. What is this test? This is a test of the exercise of freedom. Man is free in the invented world, but this freedom is not the right of man, it is his test paper. His eternal future is going to be decided on the solution of this paper. By giving freedom to man, Allah wants to see who uses freedom correctly and who misuses freedom. What man has to do is to acknowledge his servitude and the divinity of Allah. They saw themselves in the subordination of Allah, having the power of rebellion. A person who becomes a god like this, a revolution takes place in his life. He starts to fear Allah. He becomes the payer of the servant's rights. He abandons the method of egoism and adopts the method of modesty. The life of a common man is a worldly life, but the life of one who believes in Allah becomes the life of the hereafter. A common man lives for himself. A believing person is one who lives for Allah, Lord of the worlds. Understand Islam in a simple way, center for peace and spirituality.